HOWO brand wrecker truck is coming. The truck engine is 110 hph. 3 tons loading capacity of the flatbed. 4 tons hydraulic winch on flatbed. The length of the flatbed is 4.2 米. The width of the flatbed is 2.3 米. Both left and right side have operation system. The operation hand lever with your language. Auxiliary wheels are SAS, bilateral linkage control valve, fully hydraulic flipping plate, yellow color alarm light, 4 special binding belts. Auxiliary wheels are SAS, bilateral linkage control valve, fully hydraulic flipping plate, yellow color alarm light, 4 special binding belts.